Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a 2022 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Got this on trade. Has 20,000 miles on the dot. This is a front wheel drive version. Very nice car. Clean Carfax. We have both keys, both remote key fobs, all the books. Tires are very nice on this truck. Doesn't need tires at all. No scuffs on the wheels. Very clean. This one's got lots of options. It's got the pano roof. It's got the massage front seats. They're also heated and ventilated up front. Got our heated and ventilated buttons here. You can have a little button on the seat. You can see the massage. Both front seats are massage. It's got a nice camera. Adaptive cruise control. It's got comfort and convenience package. It's got the driver's assist package. We got CarPlay, Android Auto, nav. Got everything there. Very clean. Blind spot, lane keeping, assist. Very nice. Take a look at the seats here. There's no wear on these. It also has the Bose center point surround sound. I think it's 13 speakers. Sounds really good. Remote start, keyless go. Lots of great features. Still under full factory warranty. Give us a call, text, email. We do respond quickly. We can do out-of-state deals. We can help with transporting. Make it very easy for you. Go check out my reviews, 5-star reviews all over the internet. Go ahead and subscribe here. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motor Cars. We do a lot more posting there. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.